My true passion has always been in finding out people's stories and helping people tell their stories. You can show who you are and you can express that through many different events, through many different organizations, because everyone is an individual and everyone has a specific, unique story. My passion will always be in that. Throughout my life, it will always be to bring out those people and inspire people to tell their stories. In 1993, my family immigrated from Antigua, Guatemala to Wichita, Kansas. Since I didn't speak the language, I took it upon myself to learn the language. And so I really had amazing out-of-classroom teachers that taught me the language and the culture, and that was local television. I've always wanted to be Vanna White. Unfortunately, that job is not available. I admired the people who were on TV. For me, I aspired to be like them. And so that kind of sparked the interest in being a storyteller. Everything that I saw on TV really helped me shape who I am today. My parents, when they knew that I had an interest in television and in pageantry, that they wanted to make sure that I always put education first. I'm living my American dream while also fulfilling their American dream of having a better education for their kids.
Lily is a ray of sunshine for Wichita. She has been someone who is completely engaged in the community in addition to her professional life.
Giving Lily that job those 9 or 10 years ago was a great move for Cake TV. This young, engaging woman turned out to be a great journalist. I'm better for knowing her.
I didn't see a lot of people that looked like me when I was growing up on television. I always thought that it was important to show representation. Being a local reporter allowed people to see that you can also be a local reporter, or you could be anything you set your mind to. As the past president of the Wichita Asian Association and being involved with Wichita Asian Festival throughout the years, my platform has always been embracing cultural diversity, and celebrating cultural diversity is really my mission.
Lily is an exceptional leader. From the moment I met Lily, I knew she was something very special.
I really want to inspire people to discover their own culture and celebrate that, because that's what makes America amazing. There's so many different cultures and ethnic backgrounds that it is good to celebrate where we came from in order for us to know where we're going.